Light industrial staffing is extremely competitive. While your sales team is trying to grow business by finding new customers, your recruiters must find workers quickly to fill jobs for these customers.
If I'm using multiple different systems to track the candidate journey all the way to placement, then it's hard for us to forecast and to make the right decisions on how do we make sure when we tell the customer we're going to get you those associates on this date, that we can deliver.
On the Bullhorn platform, the whole sales and recruiting experience is seamless.
Our front office team, when we transitioned to Bullhorn, was loving it.
Our recruiters feel like Bullhorn One is easy to navigate.
Going into Bullhorn was more of navigating web pages, and the way that we were able to set up the system, they were able to embrace it, learn it, and follow the process probably 70% faster as a new hire than our previous system.
It is customizable to how you want your screen to look, so that really makes people feel like this is their personal system.
Before, when we were working without Bullhorn, we'd have to have a different thing for a background check and a drug test, and your I-9, and your pre-screening, everything. Bullhorn has made it a lot easier, where they get 1, maybe 2 emails to clarify everything they need for their pre-screening and their onboarding.
Analytics has been huge. We have a lot of different groups within our company that use Bullhorn, but analytics has kind of been a leveling ground for us, and anyone at any point can go in and see exactly where we are, not only just what's coming up in the future, but look back on a historical standpoint and look at trends. And it also brings a little bit of competition to the company, which we are a very competitive company internally, so we love that too.
Analytics and Bullhorn, for me, have been very smooth. It's probably one of the biggest things for me as a recruiter that's been helpful in our transition. As a recruiter, we have to meet weekly metrics, so Bullhorn does a good job of capturing all of that. Being in light industrial, it's a lot of manufacturing work, so welders, assemblers, machine operators. But using a lot of these analytics, we found out there are big gaps, including engineering, programming, even management and supervision roles. So that has helped us grow, and that book of business, which we did not have before, is taking on a bigger role in our work.
The other thing that we really love is Bullhorn automation. That's really been a game changer for being able to track the analytics and understand what's working and what's not working.
We've only really used automations for about the past 6 months, and we have saved over 75,000 hours off the desk of our recruiters in that time, just from doing very simple automations.
Bullhorn is built for clerical and light industrial, trusted to support the operations of thousands of staffing firms like yours.
It's allowed our owners and our leadership team to get real-time data reports and feel comfortable that we're getting the right information out of the system. So it's definitely benefited us in pretty much every aspect.